Yeah, bem obrigado.
Amador, bom dia. Bom dia. Isaac, estamos guardando apoio? Não, não.
Hello guys, welcome back. I'm glad to tell you that we came to visit our first chicken farm today, and we are going to see how things work internally. And I'm glad to start this journey, of course, because I believe that visiting as many farms as possible is one thing that will help me to collect a lot of knowledge. And so I believe that it was a good choice to start to attend the chicken farming course. And yeah, so now we are here. They are giving us exposure to those that are already ahead of us with more experience. And so this opportunity to visit their farm is really a good time to, take many things when it comes to learning how they do things practically. So it's a good way to connect the theory we have learned throughout the week to the actual practice. So yeah, this is a group. Some of them are not in the same class as mine, but yeah, we came together for this visit. And so yeah, I'm really excited to see the chickens and so on. So right now we can already see some of the birds here, right? So this space looks like we have a lot of species around. Animals can feel comfortable. It is quiet. So on this side here we see more tools, and even here from afar we can see some plantations. I think they are doing some they are taking some biosecurity measures. Maybe they are disinfecting the crop, right? And we can also see trees, right? Mango trees here. There we can see some tools. I don't know what are those. We are heading towards where we are going to visit maybe the chicken. Really interesting, really interesting. Yeah, just learning already. I'm already learning to see that there are many ways to make use of the space you have available. Yeah, you can choose to have chickens in some parts, and other parts you can produce crops which the chickens are going to feed as well if you want to minimize your cost and produce some alternative feed as well. So yeah, we are heading towards that facility where I believe we are going to see chickens. I can hear the noise already, guys. The space is really big here. We see a container here. I don't know what is the use of it. Maybe they store eggs there, probably before they go to the market. So I'm already assuming some things that I have learned through some videos I watched on YouTube, and also the classes that I've had. So to see huge space here, there is nothing here. I can also spot something You can see here the vegetation is touching the chicken facility, which is not quite good, but since we have the fencing here, I believe this is not going to be a big problem. Okay, so from the inside there, that's where we have the chickens. I think you can already hear the noise. We have the feed. Actually, we had a class about this brand of feed where they produce many types of feed for many different stages of the chickens. So it's really interesting to see that they are making use of this feed, and maybe they are not producing their own feed. So this is also something I can notice here. Yeah, this is the water facility I was talking about. Maybe the man just come here and opens it to give some water to the chicken. Since it is in an elevated position, the water just flows directly without needing any type of like electricity. On this side we can see very well where the chickens are. Maybe we are going to enter inside. I was really excited to see this moment happen, and I can see eggs that have been laid, right? And chickens are feeding themselves. Some of them are just looking at us. Yeah.
A orientação ou seja, as partes abertas estão numa parte que tem sempre o corpo do céu.
O aviário está orientado de norte a sul e tem que estar do este a oeste, por causa do quê? Por causa do nascer e o pôr do sol. O sol nasce aqui, se põe lá. Quando ele nasce, por ele estar assim, as ladeiras estão abertas, entra o sol. Isso estressa as árvores. Então, e também o vento vem mais nessa orientação. Então, ele tem que estar assim. Para o sol não apanhar muito nas linhas e não estressar, e a ventilação a sala, certo?
Certo.
Sobre o sistema de criação. Você identificar o sistema de criação?
Essa coisa
Essa aqui, quando você solta, pode cair na doença, esse tem que trabalhar na aula, tem muita gente pergunta, assim ele vai ver que ele brinca aqui, essa é a geralmente aqui no site para ajudar a pessoa em cima. Na extremidade. Você quer dizer por quê?
Sim, porque quando contaminar o ovo, fica vendo nas laterais, né?
Quando tem contaminação é que é frágil. As extremidades.
Vira também.
Não vai dar conta. Tira aqui.
Agora ele pronto. Yeah. So guys, here we have one that is not reacting and is probably sick. And we detected some of the measures that are lacking in this facility. For instance, these cages were built such that if this one that is above, if it poops, it can touch the other one that is below. This is a big problem, like we see here. So those pooping above are essentially pooping on those that are below. So the guy made a big mistake in accepting this from the company that built it. So this is a very big mistake, actually, that should not happen. We can also notice that many chickens have been dying because they are missing in the cages. Like each cage should have at least 3 chickens, but here we only see, like for instance here we only see 1, so 2 are missing. And even also here where we see 1 that is sick, there is also 2 that are missing. If we check here, those 3, the 3 chickens are there. All the 3 are there. Here, all the 3 are there. Here also. Here only 2 remain. Here, there is only 1. So we can also see the problem. It's really affecting all the chickens. Those that are above are essentially pooping at those that are below.
A ração pode estar balanceada e ser mal distribuída. Vemos, chefe? A ração pode até estar balanceada e ter a suficiência e ser mal distribuída.
Depois tudo no cartão vai olhando, vamos botar. Depois pesa só para ver qual é o peso e esse aqui vai nos gramas. É o mínimo. Me levar lá um cartão nosso. 2 cartões.
Exato.
Porque já veio limpo.
Você está ali passando pano para estar limpo.
Ele limpou.
Hã?
Ele limpou. Agora você não está bem, né? Porque já veio limpo da
Eu acho que aquele livro também está atrapalhado. É muita terra. É muita terra.
É aqui que ele deve ganhar experiência, escalar esse projeto. Se fosse eu,
Acho que ela tem muita massa, isso é só tipo um passatempo. Ele está a ver como é que é para depois escalhar. Mas esse já está aberto há quanto tempo? Essa... Já, estás a ver? 1 ano. Não passou.
Mas eles não vieram pequenos. Já grandes. Mas já atingiram o pico. Não.
Antes de sair, né?
O dono vive
Na porta.
Não, ele combina com segurança. Segurança não tem problema.
Põe câmera
Tem
no...
Trabalhar.
Diminuiu a confiança.